Welcome to the Zeo Route Planner HubSpot Integration Setup Guide. Today, we're going to walk you through how to integrate Zeo Route Planner with your HubSpot CRM seamlessly. Start with accessing the HubSpot Marketplace. First, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketplace option on the top taskbar and select Apps. This will take you to the HubSpot App Marketplace. In the Marketplace, search for Zeo Route Planner. Open the app details and click on the Install button. After clicking Install, you'll be redirected to the Zeo login page. If you are a first-time user, click on the Sign Up button on the login page and enter your email ID. Complete the sign up or sign in process to access the Zeo Playground page. This is the place where you can view details about routes, drivers, and more. Then, click on your profile icon at the bottom left corner and go to Settings. Select the CRM Integration tab. This page allows you to connect Zeo to major platforms, including HubSpot. Click the Connect button for HubSpot CRM. You will be redirected to HubSpot, where you'll be prompted to select your HubSpot account. On the Access Permission page, Zeo will request access to your HubSpot data. Click Connect App to finalize the integration. Your Zeo account is now successfully connected to HubSpot. You're ready to create your first route using the Zeo-HubSpot integration. Once in HubSpot, navigate to the CRM tab from the left taskbar. You'll see multiple CRM objects such as contacts and companies. Select Contacts option and you'll be taken to the Contacts page. There are two options to add contacts. First, click on Import at the top right corner of the Contacts page. You can import a file of contacts or data from other CRM platforms. Ensure that the address field is included for all imported contacts. The second option is to manually add contacts. Click on Create Contact. Fill in the required details like name, contact number, email ID, etc., and click Save. To add an address to a contact, open the contact and click Actions. Select View All Properties. Search for the street address property. Add the address and click Save. Adding companies. Similar to contacts, there are two options to add companies. Select Companies from the CRM tab, and you will be taken to the company page. Click on Import at the top right corner of the Companies page to import a file of companies or data from other CRM platforms. The second option is to manually add companies. Click on Create Company, fill in the required details, and click Save. To add an address to a company, open the company profile. Click Actions and select View All Properties. Search for the street address property, add the address, and click Save. Now to create route. Go to Zeo's Playground page. Ensure the date is set to the present date in Zeo's calendar. View all addresses in the Stops tab. Select necessary contacts and companies and create a route. Please note, to create a route, you must add drivers and stores. Refer to Zeo's FAQ page for detailed guidance. Once a route is created, it will be visible in the driver's mobile app, and the driver shall begin the route. You have successfully created a route using the CRM objects on Zeo Route Planner. Automated lifecycle stage updates. Once a route is completed, the lifecycle stage of CRM objects with successfully completed addresses will be updated from lead or opportunity to customer. This automation streamlines your workflow and ensures data accuracy. To confirm that the lifecycle stages have been updated correctly after route completion, follow these straightforward steps. Access CRM object details. Navigate to either the Contacts or Companies section from the main dashboard. Find and select the specific contact or company whose lifecycle stage you wish to verify. Open the object details. Click on the Actions drop-down menu associated with the selected contact or company and choose View All Properties. This action will direct you to the Detailed Properties page. Use the search function on the Properties page to find the Lifecycle Stage field. Check this field to verify that it displays Customer, indicating the update was successful. These steps will help you ensure that the lifecycle stage updates are applied as expected, maintaining the integrity and accuracy of your CRM data. That's all for this setup guide. Follow these steps to seamlessly integrate Zeo with HubSpot, enhancing your CRM and fleet management capabilities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our additional resources for more information on utilizing Zeo Route Planner effectively.